Well, alright, so we have another Lick Friday. This is week 358, I think. So we've got a speedy lick, one which comprises basically the blues scale, and you're kind of hopping back and forth using a pattern which then runs you up into shape 2 just about. Finishing with the 15th fret bend, which is quite nice. Now, if you do like this channel and you do like this video, please do consider subscribing and then hitting that bell button for all future notifications. My only suggestion with this lick is to try and keep it slow and even to start. Because it's all 16th notes, it's quite tricky to keep it going to start off with. So loads of little micro licks within, but just take out of it what you can. So there we go. Here comes that lick. Back again. So on another note, we have the tab on dansguitar.com, so please visit that, and we have a Patreon page. Oh yes, one of those Patreon things where you can get lessons which are exclusive to that channel, and exclusive jamming tracks as well. But the jamming track for this lesson I'll whack at the end of this video. It's all free, it's all there, the whole length, and you can use it at your peril. So there we are. Breakdown, breakdown even, breakdown, there it is coming up. Blues scale basically, so we're using those notes there, so we're leaving out the blues note, not there, we're not going as far as that anyway. So anyway, they're the notes that we're using, nothing else. So we've got basically to start off with, which is the 12, 14, 15 on the third string. Hammer on those, I would, it'll make life easier, or you can pick it, it's up to you. To the 12 on the second string, back to the 15, 14 on the third string, and then you do the same again up to that 12. So, and then you got 15 third, 12 second, 15 pull off to the 12, and then 14 on that third, jumping straight to the first string for the 12, and then you've got this kind of what is it, that lick itself. So 15 pull off to 12, 15 pull off to 12 again, this time first string, to the 15 on the second string, then 17 pull off to the 12, and then 15 on that second string, 15 pull off to the 12 again, and then the 15 on the second string. See the pattern, can't you? And then 12 first, 15 fret, second string, full tone bend with vibrato to end. Right, I'll attempt to play it slow for you now. So here we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to me. At the end once more. So easy enough once you get the speed going. Just keep the fluency flowing through at a slow tempo first, and then speed it up gradually, and you'll actually be in a much better position to play it clean. So that's really the only advice that I can give you on this one, but enjoy it and use it as well. Please do consider liking, sharing, subscribing, hitting the bell button, visiting the Patreon page, all the social media, comment below, and I'll see you next week for week 359. See you later, bye.